Studies estimate that more than 60% of men over 40 wake up at least once or twice a night to urinate, and by the time they hit 60, that number jumps to nearly 80%. In fact, research from the National Sleep Foundation shows that nocturia, the medical term for nighttime urination, is one of the most common yet overlooked health problems in men over 40. But here's the real issue. Most men ignore it. They blame aging, stress, or too much water before bed, not realizing that those nightly bathroom trips could be warning signs of deeper issues with your health. And the cost isn't just lost sleep. Frequent urination disrupts your body's recovery cycles, affects testosterone levels, raises stress hormones, and leaves you fatigued, irritable, and mentally drained during the day. It's a slow, creeping problem that quietly chips away at your energy, confidence, and overall quality of life. Yet, there's good news. The same body that's giving you warning signs also has the ability to heal itself, naturally. With the right understanding of what's causing those frequent urges and a few simple natural solutions, you can take back control of your bladder, your sleep, and your life. So why do so many men over 40 pee too often? And more importantly, how can you fix it naturally? Let's uncover the truth and discover practical ways to stop the midnight interruptions for good. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on natural wellness. Let's begin with the causes. 1. An enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. One of the most common causes of frequent urination in men over 40 is an enlarged prostate, medically known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. The prostate is a small gland located just below the bladder, surrounding the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body. As men age, this gland often begins to grow, sometimes doubling or tripling in size. When the prostate enlarges, it squeezes the urethra and makes it harder for urine to flow freely. The bladder has to work harder to push urine through, which causes irritation and makes it more sensitive. Over time, this leads to frequent urges to urinate, especially at night when the body is at rest. Symptoms of BPH include weak urine flow, straining to start urination, dribbling after finishing, and feeling like the bladder isn't completely empty. While not cancerous, untreated BPH can cause chronic urinary problems and even bladder damage. 2. Overactive bladder, OAB. An overactive bladder is another major reason for nighttime urination. In this condition, the bladder muscles contract too frequently, even when the bladder isn't full, triggering an urgent need to urinate. OAB can occur as a result of nerve dysfunction, diabetes, prostate irritation, or inflammation. It may also be caused by lifestyle habits such as excessive caffeine or alcohol intake, both of which act as diuretics that increase urine production. This problem often leads to small but frequent urinations, making sleep interruptions a nightly battle. Over time, the bladder becomes even more sensitive, and the cycle continues. 3. Diabetes, type 2. Diabetes or prediabetes. Frequent urination can also be an early warning sign of diabetes. When blood sugar levels are too high, the kidneys try to flush out the excess glucose through urine. This process draws more water from the body, leading to increased urination and thirst. Men over 40 are particularly at risk of developing type 2 diabetes due to lifestyle factors such as poor diet, obesity, and inactivity. In many cases, frequent nighttime urination is one of the first noticeable symptoms, long before diagnosis. If you find yourself constantly thirsty and running to the bathroom, it's crucial to check your blood sugar levels. 4. Medications and diuretics. Certain medications can increase urination frequency, especially those used to manage high blood pressure or heart conditions. These drugs, called diuretics, help the body eliminate excess salt and fluid, but they also lead to more bathroom trips. Other medications, including antidepressants and prostate treatments, can also irritate the bladder. If your urination patterns changed after starting a new medication, consult your doctor about possible adjustments. 5. Bladder or urinary tract infections, UTIs. Although UTIs are more common in women, they can affect men too, particularly those with prostate problems or diabetes. An infection in the bladder or urinary tract causes inflammation, burning during urination, and the constant urge to pee, even when little urine is produced. In older men, chronic prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate, can mimic UTI symptoms. Both conditions can cause nighttime urination and discomfort if untreated. 6. Heart or kidney problems. Frequent urination at night can also indicate heart or kidney dysfunction. When the heart struggles to pump efficiently, fluids accumulate in the legs and ankles during the day. At night, as you lie down, these fluids are reabsorbed into the bloodstream and filtered out by the kidneys, causing an increase in nighttime urine production. Similarly, when the kidneys are damaged, they lose their ability to concentrate urine properly, resulting in more frequent urination. Both heart and kidney issues are serious and require medical attention. 7. Sleep apnea. It may surprise you, but sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops during sleep, can also trigger nighttime urination. Every time breathing stops, oxygen levels drop, causing the body to release atrial natriuretic peptide, ANP, a hormone that increases urine production. Men who snore loudly, wake up tired, or suffer from high blood pressure may have sleep apnea without realizing it. Treating it can significantly reduce nighttime bathroom trips. 8. Excess fluid or alcohol intake before bed. Finally, lifestyle habits play a role. Drinking too much water, alcohol, or caffeinated beverages close to bedtime can overwhelm the bladder. Both caffeine and alcohol are natural diuretics, meaning they stimulate urine production and irritate the bladder lining, leading to more frequent urges to pee. Now let's get to the natural solutions that work and how to get your life back. 1. Saw palmetto, nature's prostate protector. Saw palmetto, a small palm native to the southeastern United States, is one of the most researched herbs for prostate health. It helps shrink and enlarge prostate and improve urine flow by inhibiting the hormone DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which contributes to prostate growth. Regular use of saw palmetto extract can significantly reduce nighttime urination, ease the pressure on the bladder, and restore normal urinary patterns. Many men experience relief within weeks of consistent use. 2. Pygeum bark, the African secret for prostate relief. Derived from the bark of the African cherry tree, pygeum has been used for centuries to treat urinary problems. It reduces prostate inflammation, enhances bladder capacity, and decreases the urge to urinate frequently. Studies have shown that pygeum can relieve symptoms of BPH, including nighttime urination, incomplete emptying, and weak urine flow. It's a natural and gentle alternative to harsh medications. 3. Stinging nettle root, balances hormones and reduces inflammation. Stinging nettle root works synergistically with saw palmetto to reduce prostate swelling and improve urinary function. It also helps balance hormone levels that can contribute to prostate enlargement. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects support kidney and bladder health, helping reduce fluid retention and discomfort during urination. 4. Pumpkin seeds, the mineral-rich prostate tonic. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and phytosterols, both of which are essential for maintaining prostate health and hormonal balance. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Eating a handful of pumpkin seeds daily or consuming pumpkin seed oil can improve bladder control, strengthen pelvic muscles, and reduce nighttime urination. 5. Herbal teas for relaxation and bladder support. Certain herbal teas can help calm the bladder and promote restful sleep. Chamomile, hibiscus, and corn silk tea have mild diuretic and anti-inflammatory effects that support kidney and urinary health without irritating the bladder. Drinking these teas earlier in the evening rather than right before bed can help flush toxins while minimizing nighttime trips to the bathroom. 6. Limit alcohol, caffeine, and late-night fluids. To reduce nighttime urination, avoid drinking large amounts of water or alcohol within 2-3 hours of bedtime. Replace your evening drink with warm herbal tea instead. Also, limit coffee and soda intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. These beverages irritate the bladder and act as diuretics, increasing urine output. 7. Maintain a healthy weight and exercise regularly. Being overweight increases abdominal pressure, which can worsen urinary symptoms. Regular exercise, particularly walking, yoga, or pelvic floor strengthening, Kegel exercises, can improve bladder control and reduce prostate pressure. Exercise also helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure, two key contributors to urinary problems in older men. 8. Control blood sugar and manage diabetes. If high blood sugar is causing your frequent urination, dietary changes are crucial. Reduce intake of refined carbs, sugars, and processed foods. Focus on a diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Controlling diabetes not only helps reduce frequent urination, but also protects your kidneys, heart, and nerves from long-term damage. 9. Treat sleep apnea. If you snore loudly or feel exhausted despite a full night's sleep, consider getting evaluated for sleep apnea. Treating this condition can dramatically improve nighttime urination and overall health. Using a CPAP machine or other breathing aids restores oxygen balance, reduces ANP release, and helps your body retain normal fluid levels overnight. 10. Rebuild your sleep routine. Sleep itself is a healing process. Poor sleep triggers stress hormones that worsen bladder sensitivity. Develop a bedtime routine, dim the lights, avoid screens, and relax before bed. Practicing deep breathing or light stretching can help calm your nervous system and reduce the stress that triggers nighttime urges. Frequent urination isn't just an inevitable part of getting older. It's a signal from your body that something needs attention. Whether it's prostate enlargement, diabetes, poor sleep, or lifestyle factors, identifying the root cause can change everything. With natural herbs like saw palmetto, pygeum, and pumpkin seeds, combined with smarter daily habits, you can restore bladder balance, sleep better, and wake up feeling truly rested. You don't have to live your nights in constant interruption. With the right understanding and a few natural steps, you can take back control, one peaceful night at a time. If this video helped you understand what's really happening and how to fix it, don't keep it to yourself. Someone else out there might be silently struggling tonight.